Maharashtra has reported 25,000 new COVID cases in the third consecutive day. The state has reported 27,126 new cases and 92 deaths on Saturday. Active cases stand at 1,91,006. Mumbai has recorded close to 3,000 cases for second consecutive day with 2,982 active cases and 7 deaths in the past 24 hours. Pune has recorded highest 5,473 new cases, 27 deaths in the last 24 hours, followed by 3,679 new cases in Nagpur. BMC has made rapid antigen testing mandatory at crowded places. The testing is going to be carried out without the consent of citizens who are present at these crowded places, and refusal to do so would amount to an offence under Epidemic Act. Meanwhile, with continued surge in COVID cases in Nagpur, Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Nitin Raut has extended ongoing restrictions in the city till 31st of March.
अनावश्यक जो गर्दी करने वाले लोग हैं, ऐसे लोग के बारे में पुलिस विभाग को हमने सख्त निर्देश दिए हैं और जो कोई अनावश्यक घूमते दिखेगा उस पर कानूनी दंडात्मक कार्रवाई की जाएगी। जो जीवनावश्यक वस्तुएं है उसका कहीं पे भी कमी नहीं रहेगी और इस दृष्टिकोण से जो थोक व्यापारी है उनकी दुकानें दोपहर 4 बजे तक शुरू रखने के बारे में उनको हमने परवानगी दी है।
देखिए, मेरा अपना मानना यह है कि लॉकडाउन ये कोई अंतिम सॉल्यूशन नहीं है या केवल लॉकडाउन के कारण हम इसकी रोकथाम कर सकते हैं, ऐसा भी मैं मानता नहीं हूँ। वैक्सीनेशन की जो ड्राइव है वो ड्राइव भी महाराष्ट्र में बहुत स्लो है। जैसे बीच में जावड़ेकर जी ने बताया कि महाराष्ट्र को जितने वैक्सीन मिले थे उसमें से मात्र 55% वैक्सीन जो है उसका इस्तेमाल महाराष्ट्र सरकार कर पाई है। तो वैक्सीनेशन के ड्राइव को भी बड़े पैमाने पर बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है।
Well, if you're living in Maharashtra and you're wondering what the curbs really look like amidst the surge in the COVID cases, let's bring you all of those for your clarification right there. Let's begin with the financial capital, Mumbai. COVID antigen testing is a must at crowded places. Whether you like it or not, you have to get this done. The BMC will ensure that you get it done. The violators will be booked under Epidemic Act. So do cooperate with the BMC. No religious gatherings or political or social gatherings are permitted amidst the COVID surge and the restrictions that are coming in. The sister city of Mumbai, Pune, there's a night curfew which is in place in the light of growing number of coronavirus cases. Nagpur is the next one. It's come up to be a bit of a hotspot this time around. There's lockdown that has been extended till 31st of March in Nagpur. Next is Nashik. There is a partial lockdown right there in the city of Nashik. Shops are going to be open between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and not after that. No gatherings post 15th of March are permitted. Thane is the district adjoining Mumbai. There are 16 hotspots that have been identified. They've been placed under lockdown at the moment. Nanded is the next one. The religious places have been shut till 31st of March in Nanded. Shops to remain open from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. only, not after that. All right, so these are the Maharashtra COVID restrictions.